Hey, eco-warriors, ever wondered what happens to solar panels after 20 years? Let's dive in. First off, solar panels are designed to last around 25 to 30 years, but what about their efficiency after 2 decades? Well, they typically lose about 0.5% to 0.8% efficiency each year, so after 20 years, your panels might still be working at around 80% capacity. Not too shabby, right? But what about when it's time to say goodbye? Good news. Solar panels are quite recyclable. Most panels are made up of glass, aluminum, and silicon, all of which can be recycled. Specialized facilities can recover up to 95% of the materials and repurpose them for new panels or other products. Awesome, right? Now, there are sustainable disposal options to consider. You can donate your old panels if they're still functional. Some companies even offer take-back programs where they handle the recycling for you. Always check with local recycling centers to see if they accept solar panels. And if you're upgrading, see if your installer has a recycling plan. Keeping it green is all about thinking ahead. So what's the takeaway? Solar panels have a long and productive life, and when it's time to retire them, there are eco-friendly options to ensure they don't end up in a landfill. Remember, every little bit helps in our mission to protect the planet. This video is brought to you by Freebirds General Contracting, LLC. And remember, let's keep it green. Until next time, stay sustainable and keep making those eco-friendly choices.